Gunship. That's an airplane you surely do not want to face. You happen to be one of the bad guys. Combat Systems Officer, Lieutenant Ethan McGraw. From the right, ladies and gentlemen, the Lockheed Martin AC-130 Ghostrider gunship. Here we go. You're a bad guy. You should have been running a half hour ago. She's quiet and she's deadly. Built by Lockheed Martin, features 4 Rolls-Royce AE 2100 D3 turboprops, 4,700 horsepower apiece, with a ceiling of 28,000 feet and a top speed of 362 knots. This airplane is quite capable of getting in and getting out in a hurry. Maximum takeoff weight of 164,000 pounds, and the range normally is 3,000 miles, but typically when you have air-to-air refueling capabilities, the range is only limited by when the crew gets fed up with flying it, which I imagine is not for quite a while. Very capable aircraft. Has a wingspan of 132 feet, a length of 97 feet, a height of 39 feet. And the armament, this is the fun part, things that go boom include the precision strike package with 30mm and 105mm cannons, standard precision guided munitions. That is, the GBU-39 small diameter bomb, the GBU-69 small glide munition, AGM-114 Hellfire missile, and the AGM-176 Griffin missile. This aircraft is more than capable of taking on all kinds of ground targets should they determine that they need to be taken out. We are incredibly grateful to America's sons and daughters who are serving in the armed forces, and particularly with those in the special ops community who are at the tip of the spear protecting our freedoms and our way of life. Ladies and gentlemen, pass number 2. Brace yourselves. It's the AC-130J Ghostrider. Does that mean that you people have people on these airplanes? Of course it does. The AC-130J making bad guys run for cover for a very long time. Good to have them too. All I know is with that 105mm howitzer, that thing packs a wallop. Not to mention, if you go on YouTube, there's tons of video taken from inside the gunship of them in actual combat operations. It's really quite interesting. 169 small glide munition is, but I'm betting it's some kind of tiny bomb. Although I have to tell you, my favorite of all those munitions, the AGM-114 Hellfire missile. That thing packs a wallop, and it's tiny too. Not a real big missile, but it does pack a wallop, that's for sure. Once again, our crew today, pilot in command, Captain Tyler Burke, second in command, Captain Nick Avalos, and the combat systems officer, Lieutenant Ethan McGraw. Hometown heroes, people. You got to admit, they got a heck of an office, don't they? Now, in just a few moments, if you're looking off to your right, you will see a couple of humongous aircraft right out of the humongous aircraft works. You're going to get to see these bad boys fly, and I have to tell you, I don't think the Wright brothers ever imagined aircraft being this big when they were back on the beaches of Kill Devil Hills back in 1903. Hey, guess what? They're sneaking in on us again just to show you how sneaky this airplane can be. Ladies and gentlemen, I hope you got your cameras, your camcorders going. Those of you with a watercolor set, you better draw fast. From the right, for their third pass, here it comes. A Lockheed Martin AC-130J Ghostrider. There was somebody in the back of that waving as they went by. I know I'd have been back there waving. All right, ladies and gentlemen, we'll talk to you. From the right, the AC-130, and on to the right of the AC-130. All right, I thought the AC-130 looked a little high. They're going to do a 360 here. This is a common maneuver in aviation. If you have a traffic conflict or your approach isn't that good, you can do a 360, lose a little bit of altitude, gain a little bit of time and separation from any other traffic in the air at the time of your approach. So the AC-130 going to do a 360 and then come around to recover here again. Off in the distance, way out in front of us there, that's the C5. That is the Super Galaxy, the M model. Okay, C-130, I'm sorry, AC-130J, the gunship, coming in on their approach now here back to Eastern West Virginia Regional Airport. You know, ladies and gentlemen, while we're talking about all of the people that are out here in front serving the Air Force, let's not forget those who wait for all these people at home. The families make sacrifices too. And it's very important that we not only support the men and women of the Air Force, but their families waiting at home too. We do appreciate all of the hard work and sacrifices that these families make in order to keep all of us safe. Here we go, Props and Beta Rain.